Okay, so here we have a 2011 Toyota Kluger, and we are after replacing the battery inside of this car. The current one is dead. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so go ahead and undo your first bolt on the negative terminal. Go ahead and remove the negative terminal from the battery. After you have that removed, you can go ahead and undo the cover for the positive terminal and then the bolt as well. Go ahead and remove the terminal for the positive side as well. After you have the positive side removed, you want to go ahead and remove the clamp that holds the battery down. And keep in mind here we're using a 10mm for all of the screws here on the battery. So after having the bolts for the clamp removed, nice and easily get the clamp out of the car. Then what you want to do is grab the handle of your battery and out with the old and in with the new. Putting the battery inside the car, you want to make sure it seats in its housing properly. Make sure it's nice and snug there. Give it a little bit of wobble it into place. Alright, then you want to go ahead and grab the clamp and put the clamp and line it up with the battery. Alrighty, so now that the clamp is in its place, nice and lined up with where the bolts are meant to be going, you want to grab your first bolt and screw it in nice and hand tight. Alrighty, then go ahead and grab your other bolt and screw that in as well into its position, nice and snug, hand tight. Then grab your 10mm and screw it in nice and tight. Same goes for the other side, screw it in nice and tight. And then after screwing it in, give the battery a bit of a jolt, make sure it's going nowhere. Yeah, that's going nowhere, awesome. Alright, now you want to get the two caps off of the battery terminals. First, get the positive side off, put the positive terminal on the car, screw the positive terminal onto the battery, make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want that going anywhere, you don't want it loosening when you're starting the car and having a bad connection. Same goes for the other side, get the cap off. Now the reason why we do the positive terminal before the negative terminal is actually because the negative is your ground. Now when you're screwing the positive terminal on and you accidentally touch something that is grounded with your wrench, then you will cause sparks and you will have a higher chance of short-circuiting something, causing a fuse to blow up, etc, etc. Now go ahead and grab the terminal covers, put them on the old battery to prevent a fire or electric hazard while it sits in storage, or if you chuck it away or whatever you decide to do with it. Awesome. With that all out of the way, you want to make sure that the car actually starts. You want to make sure you've done a good job, a correct job. Alrighty, so the speedometer has turned on, indicating that the battery is nice. Give her a crank and see if she starts. Awesome, she has started. That means we have done an awesome job. Go ahead and close your bonnet and call it a day. That was job well done. Like and subscribe and comment if you guys need help on anything else. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.